Okay, I'm here with this 2013 Dodge Charger right here. Of course, you see it's the 3.6L engine, and finna do a coolant flush, okay? So now the first thing you wanna do, you wanna be able to spot, you know, your drain plug. All right, your drain plug is right down here. Can't really, maybe I can point at it, you can see it. Drain plug is right down there. I put a little arrow at it. All right, and what's going to happen is, once you open your drain plug, there's a little tube right here. See this little tube right here my finger's on? Comes out the bottom. When you open your drain plug, all your coolant is going to drain out this little tube, so make sure you have something under it to catch it. Make sure you take your cap off so your fluid can flow out, like such. All right, you want to make sure that you open this valve with your engine cold, because you see my arm is down here. I'm touching all kind of metal, so if any of that metal is hot, believe me, I would be getting burned. So make sure that you do this with your engine totally cold. You see the pliers right there I have on the valve. I'm going to connect to the valve, then I'm going to turn it. I'm on the valve right here, and I'm turning it towards the driver's side of my car. Turning it towards the driver's side of the car. All right, take it, turn it towards the driver's side of your car.
Rent a car, lease 1, 2 will take you far. Right away, right away. Hard but fair, do it every day. Good people, good deals. That's the way the future feels.
And as you can see, I need to open the valve a little bit more, but you turn the valve towards the driver's side of the car to loosen it up. I had to open it a little bit more, but as you can see, it drains out this little plug, and it'll drain in whatever pan you have under it. Let me go loosen the valve a little bit more. Okay, and as you can see, your coolant flows out nice and easy. You don't have to take your bottom protective plate off, you know. All right, it flows out very easy. You sit and you wait, let all the coolant flow out. That's the first step. All right, once your coolant get done draining, it's time to tighten that valve back up. Make sure you tighten the valve, put the valve back in the same position that it was in before you started. Okay, now, once your valve is all the way closed, all you gotta do now is refill your car up with coolant, and your coolant flush is done, okay?
No games, no smoking mirrors here. We do business one way, hard but fair. Cruise through the city, cruise through the town. Windows roll down while the beat goes round. Everybody smiling when they see that sign. Hard but fair, got a deal that's fine. Right away, hard but fair, gonna make your day. Buy a car, rent a car, lease.
Okay, one more thing. Now, when you're putting your coolant back in, I want you to know that your engine, your thermostat is closed. So it's gonna look like it's full like this, but it's actually not. Once that thermostat opens and allow that coolant to go through that engine, that level is going to drop. So you wanna make sure that you put the proper amount of coolant back in your car. Because right now that looks like it's full, but it's actually not. It's actually low. So keep that in mind, that once you're filling your car back up, make sure that you look at your owner's manual or go online and Google it, your car, to make sure that you put the proper amount of coolant back in your car. This is Ellis with Hard but Fair Auto. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give me a thumbs up, comment on the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Until we meet and speak again, you guys be blessed.
Got a truck, SUV, family van, let's roll next.